Alright, so we're good now. It's recording. Alright, so now we got Adam here. He showed up. He's never fucking welded either, so this is gonna be awesome.
Hell yeah.
And he has no idea. He's gonna try to weld aluminum because he won't let me adjust the machine. We're gonna see how this goes.
Is it adjusted for aluminum right now?
If you have to ask that,
I have no clue.
if you have to ask the question,
That means you do not know.
do you need me to help you?
I might need help.
Alright, so.
I have a feeling I'm gonna blow a hole through it if it's set for steel.
So you're on DC, that's not, you want to do, you're doing aluminum. Then the AC, we're gonna bump you down to, we're at what, 60 something, Phil?
Yeah, probably right at that.
And we're gonna jump this up to like 30. Good to go.
Couple little twists of the knobs.
Yep. Magic fingers.
Finger bang this thing.
So now the way the pedal's set up is it's only gonna max out at 68 amps. So wide open is gonna get you a puddle.
Yeah, it's just pedal wide open.
But to start, without putting that in there right now, just heat it up and watch the puddle.
What? Yeah, you.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't touch it. You wanna hover over it. Can you see the puddle?
Yeah. I wasn't wide open though.
Oh, wow. It's bright, ain't it?
Man, it's bright. I can't look at that.
I wonder if I could do it.
How you gonna be on white
So how we
spot
doing?
on it?
Oh, because you
Yeah,
got.
I didn't do that.
So I hold it like a pencil,
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, dude.
like this.
You hold it like that.
Then you'll be alright. You want to keep like a 45, and then you want to like melt it and then add rod. It's not.
Think you throwing some sick ink on somebody.
See, Adam's left-handed, so he's fucking good.
Oh, he's right at it.
He's ready to go.
He's ready to throw down.
You want to keep it about 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch away from the metal.
I think they said the devil was left-handed too, ain't he?
Woo.
Open camera, open ready for them welding?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, I'm killing your tip.
That's fine.
That's fine.
We can sharpen it.
Yeah. I killed it first a little bit.
Go sharpen it probably 10 times a day.
Maybe 8.
This is poor performance.
You know why?
Man, I'm blowing the tip off.
Oh yeah,
It
turn
is
the gas
now
off.
Phil didn't have the damn gas on.
Yeah, I fucked it up. I thought we was done.
Hit the sharpen it.
Nice.
That's no gas.
I watched it. That's why, because you ain't gonna gas the shield nothing.
You leave it on. Just gotta take
this off.
this.
Screw the backside off.
I'll show you the first time because you're gonna do it a couple times probably. So this is just like a tightener, and we'll push it through. It really
Hot
should
as
be
fuck.
a little warm.
Yeah.
Use the glove. Oh, it's
Oh,
fine.
my brain
That's the
freeze.
collet, and then put it over here.
As of right now, we definitely don't know how to weld when we turn the gas off. Not turn it back on.
So you just gotta sharpen. You want to sharpen like a pencil.
Mm-hmm.
We want the grooves, the grain to be down when you're done. So you sharpen whatever you want to the pencil. In the final sharpening, you want the grain of the stone to be cutting to the point
Yeah, running with the rod.
with the rod. Does that make sense?
A little bit. Just a little short.
No, you.
Alright.
No, you gotta do it.
I'm in.
If you're welding, you do it.
I didn't show Phil.
Heck yeah.
You want glasses?
Yeah, I already are. We're spectacles.
Right here.
No, they'll use the helmet.
Once I see sparks, it'll start changing.
Oh, yeah. I didn't think about that. We try to use that 19.
And this thing's not bolted down, so you gotta do a one-handed.
Oh, yeah.
I think I gotta use the 1945 version helmet. Oh yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Right in the hole, buddy. I'll get it on camera. There it is, right there. Bam! First fucking time with gas. First time no fucking gas. Phil got you good there.
Yeah, it was setting me up for failure, I guess.
Yeah, I could make that do me. Hell, 'cause I know you'd done that in first try. Can't let that shit happen.
that thing together?
Oh, well, I was over here making sure I could still.
Which one did you do over here?
Puddle.
Which one did you do over here? Yeah, my tip was terrible. Those things got contaminated.
Yeah,
Stuck in
I
aluminum.
stuck the rod to it.
Yeah, you need to sharpen them.
Well, we only got so much more time.
What are you going to do?
Now, see if I can get that on my head now.
Phil wants to do it. Phil wants to do it now.
Yellow way.
The tip's far.
I might be able to clean it off.
I ain't cleaning it. What the hell? You about eating my ass? Fair.
That's what we'll push it there.
That's it?
I don't think it'll mess up your hammer, do you?
No.
Well,